I think it's a great opportunity. In fact, I think, leading the innovation and digital transformation, this is something that we have always believed in. But what it gave us these 8 or 10 months is an opportunity to completely practice what we have been experimenting in a complete format, which is the rolled out format, I would say. Most of all, from a digital strategic angle, I think it was always clear that business performance and having a competitive advantage can be supported by new digital products. So what we have really done from a business performance, of course, we did not have a couple of quarters, which was great. In fact, it was extremely challenging, the quarter one months from the bank side. So for us, reimagining a and cutting costs became essential during that time, and it is also an extension of that in the current quarter. But I think definitely the business performance has now improved. But while maintaining new competitive advantage, it was very important to roll out products and systems which are digital first, which is probably new for some areas of the bank, where assessing the digital maturity was, of course, in progress. But we had to speeden it up so that the digital maturity assessment and the digital channels reach out became faster, and we're able to measure the success or areas of improvement of these channels. So specifically from a digital angle, it was very important for us to create new products which are where we are able to pioneer for the first time in France, for example, as Societe Generale is based out of France. Of course, it's a global bank, but in France, it gave us an opportunity to collaborate with a lot of new players on open platforms and migrating a lot of applications to cloud, so that we are able to collaborate with the players around, and the reach out is more successful. And I would say from a digital angle, the digital transformation of processes and reimagining of very large banking processes that were due transformation anyways. But I think we were able to merge retail banks spread across, a very swift decision was, of course, taken to merge these, the business networks itself, and also merge the IT systems behind it, giving us significant savings on the digital side. I think these type of decisions, it is amazing that it was taken during these challenging times. That gives us a 3-year outlook of how the bank will deal with its retail customers and with its peers in the industry. So that is a great example for us. On the other side, I think what made a significant difference is, as others, Gurvinder and others mentioned, is how we approach data security and how we are transparent with our regulators during these times, and of course the employee engagement. So bringing all of these angles in a triage manner, where we are not letting go of any of these priorities, and being able to digitally leverage capacity of the various global centers, and being able to completely give employees flexibility to perform at their time, and keeping automation of a lot of tasks in mind. I think we've been able to progress quite well. I think I would say 20% improvement from where we were last year to this year in terms of digital transformation, automation, using AI for predictive ways of operating, especially in the operational areas, completely on the digital trading areas, enhancing how we process documents, especially the document managing, the document text extractions, and completely automating these spaces in terms of creation of these platforms, and working with startups and others from a completely cloud innovation platform standpoint. I think we've been able to make a lot of progress, very significant progress in the last 8 months, that paves the way for us, the way we look at 21-25 as a long-term strategy from a digital angle. So I would say the technology has always been an enabler, but now it is also helping us formulate strategy for the next 5 years using digital as a core, and thinking of ways where we can put systems first and digital systems first as a part of our strategy, which was not the way we conducted business in the previous years.